always, I believe he's done a very good job of it. So for a bank to step in, for Axis Bank to step in and say, let's sign them, was a very, very organic process, you know. So something like that, I'm sure it's going to involve either my dad and me or just me. But so far, whatever we've done has been very, very successful. And I specifically want to mention the print campaign here with my dad. I think a lot of people really enjoyed those hoardings, and there was a lot of freshness to that entire campaign, and you'll see many more of those.
So if I can just add, you know, we're delighted to have Deepika and Prakash as our brand ambassadors. And we did that because I think the brand values that we saw in both of you are what we'd like to project and own about Axis Bank as well. Earthy people, you know, progressive at the same time, and open people, and natural people. And I think that's what we've tried to do in the brand campaign, that we don't want to see Deepika playing a character. We want Deepika to play herself, and we want Prakash to play himself. And we think the special chemistry and bonding between Deepika and Prakash is very, very unique. And we've captured that, we think, in some of the campaigns, and we'd love to capture that in the future as well.
We think you're a fashion icon. I definitely think you're a fashion icon. So tell me, will Lime actually change the fashion market? Will it bring any change in the fashion market of India?
I think that's a question.
I think people want to be fashionable, and I completely agree with you. Deepika is a fashion icon. But I think we in Lime we enable people to become more fashionable in a simpler, smarter way.
So maybe it will be the color of the season.
Yeah, no, actually we did an article recently on how white was just dominating Bollywood. And today you're wearing white, so what are your comments on that? Whose design are you wearing, and do you think white is actually coming back in Bollywood?
White is a new Lime.
Yeah, white is the new black, white is the new orange, whatever.
For me, white is an all-time favorite. When I don't have much time to do fitting, and anyway, I'm not someone who's like, I don't consider myself fashion forward or whatever in that sense. I think I've always believed that I have professionals who do that job for me, and they do it very, very well. And whatever they believe is right. Of course, today I felt like, you know, something easy and simple, and that's that.
Mrs. Sharma, just one question that wasn't answered earlier is whether you're still interested in the Payments Bank tie-up, because the last time we spoke you said you were exploring options.
Yeah, so we'll be happy to tie up and do partnerships with wherever there is synergy, and we are very happy to explore that. But payments is very much a core part of many parts of our business, so it's something that we will be pursuing solutions around anyway all the time. So we'll try and understand what that concept is. And as I said, Lime is not about invention. It's about bringing together ideas that may exist here or may exist anywhere in the world in a simple, meaningful fashion for our customers to solve their real problems.
Now, will it have any
impact? So, you know, sometimes the solution is worked in a particular context, and it can be used in many other contexts. And we are very happy to actually take that and bring it to... Transfer of money is one of the elements of Lime. It's, I think Rajiv tried to point out, there are many different things you can do with Lime. You can shop, and the interesting thing about this is there's a floating payment button. So you can be on any app and be doing any e-com, and you can pull Lime and pay. So you don't even have to be in Lime to necessarily pay for something that you're doing. So you can actually be getting some of the best shopping offers. So transfer, yes, is one of the elements, but that's only one of the elements. There's a lot more that Lime does.
Ma'am, will it have any impact on CASA, and do wallets kind of cannibalize on CASA deposits of banks?
So again, you know, just as I was answering the cost question, when we've thought of Lime, we haven't come from the thought of cost, CASA, because I think, you know, all of these are important issues in the short term. If you're trying to build a franchise for the long term, I think the only thing that succeeds is keeping the customer at the center of everything that you're trying to do. And that's what this is about. Now, if we have done it well, and if customers respond to it well, then yes, it will benefit us on cost, yes, it will benefit us on CASA, but that wasn't the thinking that went behind Lime.
Yeah, Deepika, over here. Deepika, Deepika, since your face is the known face which you are endorsing a lot of products, and you always come up to support a lot of social causes as well. So whenever you just do all these things, so what are the first and foremost thing, what do you just look up for when you just come up to support a cause or endorse a product?
I think brands and then causes, they're two sort of, in a way different, but also actually in a way similar. I think that any cause that you support or any brand that you endorse, like I said earlier, has to be an extension of what you believe in and what you stand for. So I think if you look at my portfolio of brands, I think most of them will be an extension of something that I believe in or something that I stand for. Mental health is what I'm looking at from a what do you say? Yeah, from a cause point of view, I think it's mental health, and we will be launching next month. And 10th of October is World Mental Health Day, and I think that's the day we're looking at launching the foundation officially. But we'll meet separately for that, and we'll talk to you about the plans on what the foundation is looking at doing over the next couple of years.
Deepika, given the fact that you have partnered with Axis now, and also the fact that you have had a tremendous run at the box office, don't you think you should officially become the highest paid actress in Bollywood now?
I'm sure she will, if she isn't already.
Are you, Deepika?
I wouldn't know, but what I can tell you is that I'm terrible at math, so number crunching is not my thing.
Thank you.
There are a few. Don't ask me to name what it is. I don't think that's right, because some people do, some people don't. Yes, there are certain things that I consciously stay away from.
What is the significance of the word lime and the color green? How does it relate to banking?
So, as we said, this particular solution is, of course, something we want Axis Bank customers to use, but it is not restricted to Axis Bank customers. And it's really meant for anybody who's thinking about money, but wants to think about money in a fresh and different way. You don't want to be constrained by the boundaries that you've had before. Typically, when a bank comes and talks about anything, it's about their banking customers. It's about banking the way they understand it. And here we've taken a very different, fresh approach to thinking about people's money problems and how can we solve them. So if you notice, it doesn't say Lime from Axis Bank. It's just Lime. It's Lime, a fresh twist on how to think about your money. And we think it's really fresh thinking that we're bringing into the space of how you think about money and how money can make your life simple. And that's where the thought of Lime came from. And obviously the color green is a lime color.
Ma'am, have you tied up with fashion brands?
No. No, I think lime is something that naturally comes to mind when you think of freshness.
Ma'am, have you tied up with fashion brands for the app?
There are apps which sell fashion online, and those apps are available for our customers when they log in through Lime.
How exactly does Lime pay for?
Suresh.
So it uses, so the wallet creates a card structure. So it uses the traditional debit card structure to make those payments. I'm sorry?
Thank you so much. I think that was the last
I
question.
have one question. How come a lot of you are asking about a tie-up with a fashion brand? I'm just curious. I think 2-3 times that came up. Any particular reason?
So you can shop for pretty much anything,
Because you can shop
including
for
fashion
anything,
brands.
right?
You can shop on any site, and therefore you can shop for any product.
So Gopika, we've used technology for us to be able to to enable our customers into multiple sites, including fashion sites, rather than go through the traditional route of tying up with each one.
No, I will do it now. I think it's just gone live today.
Close.
So I'll do it now.
What feature of the app do you think would be something that you would really want to use the most?
Taking some money from my dad, maybe.
You can't leave you without asking the most popular question on interest rates. You cut your deposit rates recently, and then you get for base rate cut.
I think we've got a very boring answer to that question, Gopika, that the base rate is fundamentally something that reprices all our lending, right? And 75% of our lending is linked to base rate. Whereas when we're changing the deposit rate, it's just changing the cost of the new deposits that we're raising. So it will take time. As the old deposits mature and new deposits come in, the cost of funding will go down and that will get passed on to customers. So we've dropped our base rate by 35 basis points in the last, since the monetary looses. Sorry? I think over the next couple of months there will be, and we review that in every ALCO, and we will continue to do that, and we will continue to pass on that cost reduction to our customers.
So that means it's not expected any time before the RBI is monitoring this.
You'll have to wait and watch. You'll have
Competitors have done, and they say that they've done this because they moved to the marginal cost of funding formula, which the RBI wants every bank to take out. Is that
Suresh, let them.
So I think there's a discussion paper out there on the new formula that RBI is thinking about on base rates. And from our understanding of it, they are actually looking at it in a thoughtful manner to look at how the balance sheet's asset side has to get repriced and how the cost structure will move on the liability side. There's a discussion paper out there. Once it's finalized, it will be effective from April. We've been consistent in the way we've been looking at our base rates and changing them. So as our cost of funds have come down, we've done that. Even before the first repo rate cut happened, we had actually dropped our base rate because our cost of funds had come down. So we follow a very simple, disciplined approach of looking at our cost of funds and passing that on to customers, and we would continue to do that. If the regulation comes up with a different formula, we would obviously then need to move to that formula. But at this point of time, it's all up for discussion.
Thank you, ma'am. This was the last question.
So based on our understanding of the formula, it's not going to make a very significant difference to our base rate.
Alright, and SANS, without RBI really taking any action, some of the other big lenders are saying that anyways the base rate would decrease by 50 to 75 basis points for the banks. Do you think that is the case in your view? Is that going to happen as well? Some of the other banks have made that.
I know I saw some of that, but frankly, it's very difficult for me to predict what's going to happen to interest rates. This world is so volatile. Do you know whether the Fed is going to cut rates on September 17th? And after that, is RBI going to cut repo? And what are they going to do on liquidity? And then what's going to happen to marginal cost of funding? If you ask me to give me my best guess of what might happen, I think given that inflation is coming down for the economy, there is headroom for interest rates to come down. But I would loathe to give out a specific number because, as I said, the world's very uncertain. You have to just keep adapting to what's changing.
So thank you very much. Thank you, Deepika, Shikha, and Rajiv. Thank you all for supporting us. So that's it.
We are very lucky कि हमारे शास्त्रों में ये सब कुछ है.